What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate the Revolut eSIM on your iPhone. So first of all, make sure to go to Revolut and choose your data plan and make the purchase. And once you purchase it, you will get a QR code delivered to your email. Once you receive this QR code, simply go to your settings on your iPhone and go to the cellular option right here. Tap on it. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see here the option to add eSIM. Just tap on this option and make sure to choose the use QR code here. Tap on it and then direct the camera to the QR code that is sent to your email from Revolut. And once you do, you'll be redirected to the setup wizard. So from here, you have the setup wizard to activate your eSIM. Simply tap on continue here and it'll take some time to connect to network. And here you can choose the labels for each of your plans. Of course, you have a new eSIM plan. You can label it to whichever you want. Then tap on continue. Once you do, you need to choose the default line for calls and messages. Of course, you know which one you labeled as primary and which as secondary. Choose whichever one you want. Then tap on continue. And then you need to choose the default cellular plan for iMessage or to use with iMessage and FaceTime for your Apple ID. Simply choose it and tap on continue. And finally, you need to choose the default line to use for cellular data. Choose which one you want and then tap on done. And once you tap on done, your Revolut eSIM will be successfully activated on your iPhone.